Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're gonna take the boss out for a spin. Basically, I got these. Long story short, back before all of COVID was supposed to happen, I had scheduled myself a SCCA autocross event here locally at Cherry Point. I was supposed to take the boss out. Layton was supposed to take out the kids' go-karts, and it was going to be a heck of a time. I wanted a way to document it for fun, so I bought the cheapest action cam I could. Just as something to record it and maybe start putting some stuff on YouTube just for fun. So I bought this camera called the Vantop Moment 3, and when I bought the camera, they shipped it to me, and the waterproof case latch was like broken. They send you a lot of stuff. I think the camera was like $45, and they sent you a case with all these attachments, filaments, waterproof case. It's the little Bluetooth remote or whatever it was. I mean, it was a lot for what you paid for. I mean, it's the Vantop Moment 3. I think they're up to like the Moment 6 now. But the thing broke. I left a review saying, I think I gave it like 3 stars, saying, camera works okay. It was a 4K camera. It was like 4K by like 20 hertz or 27 hertz or 30 hertz, something like that, refresh rate. And I was like, it looked okay. It wasn't great. Sound quality sucked on it, but it would have served my purpose of what I needed it for. I left a review on Amazon, and long story short, I got an email a few weeks later saying, hey, we want to refund you your camera, and we want to send you a replacement. I'm like, oh, cool. And they said, would you be willing to fix your review? Which, thinking about it, I still need to do that. But I'm like, yeah, sure. And they sent me out another camera, a Vantop Moment 4, so they upgraded me. And let's take a look at it real quick. All right, so here's the Moment 3. And you guys have seen videos of that, because once COVID hit, I took this out for a first-person drive on the Boss, and it wasn't all that great. Sound quality kind of sucked. You can go back and watch that video. I'll link it right here, or here, wherever it comes up. Yeah, that's that one. Here's the upgraded one they sent, the Vantop Moment 4. Now, they look about the same, but there's some big differences. This one is not touchscreen. It's got a good size display. However, this one is touchscreen, and the touchscreen is very responsive. It's very good whenever you're trying to do anything. Well, the card's not in, but you can set several things. You can do video, photo, motion detection, car mode, video, lapse, slow motion. But so. This was a really good deal. All that happened literally was a broken latch here, and they sent me a whole new thing. This was the case that came with this. This whole bag came with the Moment 4. It was jammed in something, but eventually I want to get these all rigged up. I'm going to use these now for my YouTube channel and get some cool videos for you guys. Also got a discarded Hero 4 from my father that I can play with. And the reason I went with these cheap ones, because originally, this is all for fun for me, and if I didn't want to, I'm not going to throw oodles of cash at these action cameras just for them to possibly fall off my car. But, yep, so I took this one out today. I'm going to take this one out, and we will, here's the footage. I just wanted to test it out first-person point of view, and you can compare that to the last time I took it out. I took out the Moment 3 video for the first-person point of view. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Drop a like, please subscribe, and yeah, let's rip this thing. Hey guys, what's going on? It's been a long time since I've been able to bring a boss video. Just due to everything going on, I just haven't had a chance to even get the car out and do anything with it. You know, it's not that I don't want to take this thing out, just nothing going on that I'm able to do right now. So but right now we're testing out the my free action cam I got sent to me, doing a first-person video with this. I did a first-person video with the other model that I got myself, and it came with some broken parts, so the company sent me the upgraded model, so we're just kind of like shooting it out, just see how it looks. So comment below, let me know what you think, and we'll try and get some decent pulls in. God, I miss driving this car. I need to get in this thing more often. All right, ready? No, we're not going fast. We're going the speed limit. Getting there quickly though. Alright guys, there you have it. That was a quick little run with the Vantop Moment 4. Cheap action camera you can get on Amazon. Really cheap for me because they sent it to me for free. I highly recommend it for what it is. If you heard the sound quality in this one is way better than the Moment 3. It's still probably not as great as a GoPro for sure, but I mean, I think it sounds good. I think it works fine. For the amateur guy or sports guy or car guy who wants to go out there and just record some fun things, I'd recommend it, especially because it's like $60 and for what you get a lot. But appreciate you guys watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more car content. Hopefully soon we'll get the project car up and registered and ready to go. And in the meantime, we'll continue to hopefully enjoy the boss a little bit more and take her out a bit. So take care guys, and until next time.